Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, there you go.
Put your hands behind your back.
How's it going?
How's it going, man?
Deputy Zito, you got all your information there?
That should be my credit. That should be my insurance.
Your insurance?
Police pulled over a car for speeding and began questioning the driver.
Should be right there.
Where are you coming from?
We rented out in Ismail. We went to Key West.
Wait, you where? Where were you?
We rented out an apartment in Ismail.
In Almirada? Okay, is that where you're coming from?
Yes.
So you're coming from Almirada?
And then we're going to Key West.
Are you going to Key West?
Yeah.
So you're on your way to Key West?
Yeah, for my birthday.
Oh.
Okay.
What
Okay.
do you know what Key West is? What's
Yeah,
a
we've
little bit
been
more
there.
down?
Yeah.
what's special about Key West?
Well, I just wanted to go for my birthday.
Yeah, gotcha.
Okay.
During the conversation, the driver gave inconsistent answers and admitted that he had been drinking earlier that night, although he claimed it wasn't much. Because of his behavior, officers asked him to perform a series of field sobriety tests.
All right. Be honest with me, how much have you had to drink tonight?
Not much, man.
All right, go ahead, step on out. So where are you coming from? How about this?
The apartment.
So what
it called Island Cove?
Island Cove?
Something like Ismail. We rented out right there.
Okay. All right, be honest with me, how much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing, sir.
You just said you didn't have much. And
I had lunch and that's it.
might as well I tell you, you're coming from the direction of Key West and going towards Almirada.
No, it's not right.
Put parallel to the ground.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I stop?
Keep going until I tell you to
7,
stop.
8.
Okay, you can stop. All right. You see a light? Put your chin down. Follow with your eyes only. You understand?
Okay.
Looking at the red light.
Anyone came around about phone?
After completing the tests, officers determined that he was impaired and placed him under arrest for DUI.
Are you crazy?
All right, ma'am. You have somebody to call, come get you?
Yeah.
All right. So unfortunately, he's going to go to jail for DUI. No tolerance. All right. Should have made better choices tonight. I'm sorry, it's your birthday. Go get somebody on the phone to come get you.
If I have to drive him back, he's the one who's been taking. You know.
Nope. Nope. If we let him go, we get fired. Sorry. This is y'all's fault. Both y'all's fault. It's zero tolerance.
Like,
Yeah. No, he has a history of DUIs. Yep. So, fortunately, he hasn't stopped. And the direction y'all are coming from, y'all say you're coming from Almirada? Okay. No, y'all were coming from the direction of Key West.
we're going to keep it.
Key West is that way. You guys were going that way.
Yeah, but we had to stop by the gas station.
No,
Since the driver had been arrested, officers told the woman that the car was going to be towed and that she needed to call someone to come get her. Instead, she started arguing with officers and insisted that she should be allowed to drive the vehicle herself.
call a ride, because it's getting towed. Call a ride, because we got a tow truck coming. You don't want to end up in the backseat going to jail too tonight, so let's not do it.
I'm going to move the car right here.
No, because you're going to get a DUI too.
I can park the car right here.
You're going to get a DUI if you hop in that driver's seat.
I'm going to get a DUI for parking the car right here.
Yep, you are.
This is ridiculous.
And you can't park the car here.
I'm going to call his mother. She's
That's fine. You can call Jesus. Yeah, he's got a prior refusal too.
Does he?
He might have 2 prior refusals. I think he had 3. I think they said 2 prior DUIs. Ma'am, you calling an Uber or a taxi or anything to come get
You
you?
don't have to worry about it. Thank you.
Okay. All right. I just want to make sure you have some transportation because the car's getting towed.
Thank you. The car does not need to get towed.
No,
I'll take
it was
care of
involved in a crime. Yes.
No, I'm going to make sure to take care of it. Don't worry about it.
No, that's okay. It's
No,
involved in a
I'm gonna
crime.
make sure it gets
Okay.
towed.
Look.
No,
You're gonna
family,
look.
I have money.
I don't.
This
We
car
don't
doesn't
give. We don't give a shit what you got. It was involved in a crime, so it's getting towed. That's what happens. Do you understand that? One more thing out of you, you're impeding our investigation. You're gonna end up going to jail with your boyfriend tonight for a total different charge.
This is ridiculous.
It's involved in a crime. He used it in a crime. It's getting towed.
Ma'am.
Oh, where are they gonna get his house?
I will let you know. We'll give him a tow receipt. That way he can get out for this.
I would like to know right now. If you could let me know the place, please. So it doesn't get charged hourly.
Okay.
Because I know they're gonna charge hourly for the car. And if you could also let me know where he's being bailed in, so I can pay for that
you're
as
not
well.
in charge here, right? So
Whatever I have to do to get the car out and to get him out.
The woman claimed that she was married to the driver, but officers soon discovered that this was not true. Once she realized she might also be detained, she appeared to decide that leaving was her best option.
I will do
Are
it.
you guys legally married?
Is that your personal?
Yes, it is. You guys flag it. A minute.
Yes, we are.
Okay, so do you guys have the same last name?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Can you have the tag real quick? Make sure. Can you do it for me? Part behind it, we'll try it. So, so this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna run your name. And if it comes back that you're lying to me, you're going to jail for giving me false information. Because he just told me that you guys are not married. That you guys are just boyfriend and girlfriend. So you gave me his last name. I'm going to give you one last opportunity to correct that.
Because this is going to be fantastic if you lied.
One last opportunity to
I'm just
correct
trying
that.
to help him out.
What is your last name?
I'm just trying to help him.
What is your last name?
Okay, it's
No,
fine.
no, it's not fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to help him out because I want to bail him out. I want to take him. I want to be responsible.
Well, we all could be at the
It's
same
my
place.
Birthday, and I feel terrible that he drove, that he got arrested. Like this is not fun.
Okay.
This is not fun on my birthday. Come on. This is like the last thing anybody wants to do on their birthday. I just want to help him out.
What is your
and
first
bail
name?
him out.
And what is your last name?
I don't. Please respect me if I'm saying this like correctly because I don't want to be in any trouble.
You realize
with
we
you
could have
guys.
been gone,
I know.
but you're making this difficult.
And I don't want to.
Okay,
So if you want to
were the
leave,
passenger of the vehicle in a crime that occurred. Therefore, I legally have to identify you.
I understand.
I am legally telling you, you have to identify yourself.
I understand.
So right now, the first time you gave me a false last name.
I'm only just trying to help him
I can
out.
already take you to jail
I
for
just
that.
want to take my Uber, like you told me, and call it a day.
Okay.
Well, we could Uber you to jail.
I need your name.
I told you, it's Jasmine. That's it.
Spell it for me.
Jasmine, JASMINEPO. 1997.
All right. No, you're not walking away.
Like,
you're going to stay your ass right here until we're done.
What's your date of birth?
Why are we doing this?
Okay. Yeah.
Like, this is, I'm
your
not in
date of
any
birth?
trouble.
Oh, no, you are now.
What is your date of birth?
You are now. I would listen to him.
I am
would
giving
listen to him.
you a chance.
My
I really
date of
am.
birth is today. It's today. I'm
All right,
telling
what
you,
year?
today
What
is
year?
my birthday.
What year?
97. Like, today is literally my birthday. I don't want to go through this. I just want to help him. I'm sorry that I said that I was married to him. Like, I just want to help him.
05/22/1997. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
I just literally want to help him get out. I feel terrible for him getting in trouble. It's my birthday. This is the last thing.
After arguing with officers for several minutes, she attempted to walk away from the scene. Officers quickly stopped her and informed her that she was not free to leave. When they tried to detain her, she resisted and refused to let officers place her in handcuffs.
I wanted to get involved with.
Ma'am, you're not free to go anywhere. Ma'am. All right. Until we're done.
What are you doing to me?
I told you to stop. Stop.
I'm fine.
Stop pulling away.
I'm fine.
Do not.
You don't have to arrest me.
Don't resist.
Stop.
You started walking away and I told you to stop.
I said I'm fine. I said I'm fine. I said I'm fine. I'm not.
Stop resisting.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
No, I'm fine.
Stop.
I'm fine.
You're gonna go to the ground.
No, I'm fine. I promise
Put your
you.
hands behind your...
I'm fine. I promise you I'm fine.
Nope.
Please don't arrest me. Please don't arrest me. Please don't arrest me. I'm asking you, please don't arrest me. I'm asking you to please not arrest me. I'm asking you. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I was just walking away to breathe. I was just walking away to breathe.
I'm gonna tase you if you don't
No,
move.
I was just walking away to
Shut up.
breathe. I was just walking away to breathe.
Shut up.
I was walking
I told you to
away
stop walking.
breathe. I was walking away to breathe. I was walking away to breathe. I was just taking a breather.
Officers warned her that a taser would be used if she continued resisting, but she still refused to comply. Even after force was used, she continued struggling with officers before they were finally able to take her into custody.
Please, can you please listen?
You know what? I'm done with this.
All right,
No.
all right.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, there you go.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yep.
I'm
All
sorry.
right, you're gonna get
You're gonna
whacked
tased
again.
again. You're gonna get tased. Get on the ground.
Please.
Get on the ground
Get
now.
on the ground.
You're gonna get shocked again. Get on the ground now.
I'm asking for 1 second. I'm asking for
Turn
1
around.
second.
Turn around.
Turn around.
I'm
Turn
asking.
around.
Turn around.
Get on the
You're
ground.
gonna get double tased.
I don't want to
Turn
get tased.
around. Turn
Turn
I
around.
don't
Turn
wanna
around.
get tased.
Turn around. Turn around. Listen, turn around. Turn
Can-
around. You want to get tased? You want to?
No.
Go.
Okay.
Can you please?
Okay, we're gonna help you out, but look, put
She's
your
got
hands
the
behind your back.
handcuffs on.
Can you
Don't
please?
let go of that arm.
I'm fine with getting handcuffed. It's fine. It's fine.
Push her head that way. And we'll get her arm out.
It's fine. Can somebody please talk to me?
Ready to stop. Is she still tensing up?
Yeah. Push her head that way.
Can you please talk
Give me your arm. I'm gonna tase you.
Taser.
Give me your arm.
No.
Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
Now.
Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
Give it up. Give it up.
Please just talk to me, please. I'm sober and I want to talk. I just want to say something, please.
Stop.
Please just let me talk.
Hang on 13 here.
Yeah, we're still trying to control him.
Give me that arm. Sorry, man.
It's all right. Ma'am, please. You're gonna end up getting hurt here.
I know.
Let's stop.
Please
We don't
stop.
want to hurt you, but unfortunately, this is what's gonna happen.
Who's still resisting? We get a hold of FHP or Park Patrol, see if anybody's let's assist. He's remember
One to 10.
I'm direct. They shut that up. Officer, they didn't look. No. Just sit down and relax.
Just sit down on your side and relax. Stay like that. You're making it worse for yourself. Stop.
I know because it hurts.
It's not even comfortable.
I literally.
Y'all have a transport here tonight? No.
Fuck. Can you please brush my hair? Like you're such an asshole to like.
Ma'am.
Dude, come on, man. I was just walking away for 2
well,
blocks. This guy told me that I was running. This guy said I was running. I wasn't running.
Never said you were running.
You said I was running.
Walk away.
I literally was right there. You don't think you could catch me? I'm so little. I didn't deserve it. I was just walking away to call his mom. That's all I was doing.
During the investigation, officers also discovered illegal substances inside the vehicle. The woman was arrested and booked into jail on multiple charges. But despite everything that happened that night, the case took an unexpected turn. After hiring an attorney, several charges were later dropped, and she was ultimately released on bond.